Hi Hari, today we're going to draw a very nice flag which is flag of Kuwait. Let's outline from the left side. As you know, the flag is of rectangular color and rectangular shape, so we already drawn a rectangle in the beginning and I'm just putting the outlines here now to complete the flag with the graphical outlines. Later we're going to put the colors on each part of the different segments. Let's fill up the black part in the left side. So the black part is complete. Now we're going to put the green part on the top. When you put the color, we're always trying to make it as uniform as possible. After that, we're going to put the red part in the bottom area. Let's put the red here. When you fill up, take your time and have patience to fill up every corners and every border outlines, just to make it clear that it looks good. So this flag drawing is complete. This is the flag of Kuwait. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. You can also browse through the playlist to select lots of drawings in different categories. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.